Replace method not working on Pandas DataFrame. I have looked up this issue and most questions are for more complex replacements. However, in my case I have a very simple data frame as a test dummy. The aim is to replace a string anywhere in the data frame with a nan. However, this does not seem to work, i.e. does not replace, no errors whatsoever. I've tried replacing with another string and it does not work either. For example, the output is still. This problem is often addressed using in-place equals true, but there are caveats to that. Please also see understanding in-place equals true in Pandas.
You need to assign back or pass param in place equals true. Most Pandas ops return a copy and most have param in place, which is usually defaulted to false.
Given that this is the top Google result when searching for Pandas replace is not working, I'd like to also mention that replace does full replacement searches, unless you turn on the regex switch. Use regex equals true, and it should perform partial replacements as well. This took me 30 minutes to find out, so hopefully I've saved the next person 30 minutes.
Neither one with in-place equals true nor the other with regex equals true don't work in my case. So I found a solution with using series.str.replace instead. It can be useful if you need to replace a substring. Or even with a slicing.
You might need to check the data type of the column before using replace function directly. It could be the case that you are using replace function on object data type. In this case, you need to apply replace function after converting it into a string.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.